Hey guys, it's Dion from DimusTech, and today we're checking a new product from PGYTECH, a strap holder for action cameras. Okay, let's quickly unbox it. Okay. And keep in mind that I'm using the new light, so let me know how it looks. Hope it looks good. I'm actually took the light and put it on the camera. Somehow it holds, I have no idea how. It's quite heavy, but it holds. So anyway, we have, as always, the good stickers from PGYTECH. We have some manual, and I'll keep something that I think isn't written on the manual, and I'll let you know in a moment. And as always, we have those high quality adapters that PGYTECH uses instead of the regular ones. Let me open them just to show you what I mean. At least one of them. So they use that thin, and that's not a regular screw, as you can see. It's totally different. It has some access to it here, and that actually something that I really love. It's much quicker to release it, and that's one of the reasons that I actually want to move pretty much as much of adapters that I have for my GoPro to that PGYTECH system instead of what I used. And here is the thing itself. Now I want to start with a warning, but let's move aside all what we don't need here. And the warning is this. Let's move it first, like that. In order to open it, you pull it here, and then it pretty much opens. Now, when it's on a strap or something and you want to close it, you'll have to press here, and it will kind of press really hard, and it might catch your finger somewhere here. So be careful, because I really got my finger injured when I tried it, and well, you don't want that, obviously. We'll try it on a strap in a moment. But as you can see, this is pretty much metal thing. Here it's pretty much covered in rubber, but I think it's metal inside as well. Not fully sure, but I'm guessing. But this whole thing is quite metal, and that thing won't move by itself, which is good, because you don't want the camera just suddenly to turn or something like that. So that holds pretty well, and then you just adjust the camera on it and you go with it on your strap. So let's bring a random backpack, because I don't want to use mine right now. We have here just a random backpack for this purpose, and it's even the same color. I'm not really sure, it's not exactly a standard strap. It's a very cheap backpack that we just received from work on our last trip, so it shouldn't be something special, but I think the strap is actually not the regular one. Oh, you know what? It actually will hold. Now keep in mind that here, if you look closely, you have sort of a few rings where you can put it, so you can adjust it. But pretty much the higher one should do the trick, and pretty much you go like this, pretty much grab it there and close. You hear that snap? If that snaps in your finger, which did happen to me, it's bad. And that's it, it won't move. Now, it won't damage the strap, since again, this thing inside is rubber, and actually that thing here is rubber as well, so it won't get in the way on your body, so that's quite cool. Not really sure about that part, to be honest, but again, that depends on the strap, so I guess it will be alright. And you can pretty much move it away a little bit, so it should be good. But that's it, that's not moving anywhere. And you can set your GoPro on it, and that's it. You can walk around and take videos. I'm doing that a lot with a little bit different thing like that. It's a cheap one that I have, and honestly it holds, it works well. But this one, it's a total different level, and the most important for me is again that mechanism here. It's very quick to release it and put it on the tripod instead of this one, and that's something that I hate currently on my setup, and that's why I decided to actually switch to the PGYTECH. And again, it's a very high quality and it works really well, So I love that company and what it does, and that's quite good for me. I know that's a simple device, simple adapter, nothing too special, but again, it's a really good one, and I decided to show you on that video. And as always, you'll have a link in the description of this video so you can grab one for yourself. And again, PGYTECH makes awesome stuff, so check them out as well. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.